What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the yellow screen on your Redmi Note 13 5G. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on home screen. So tap on display and brightness. Now scroll down and tap on reading mode. So if you have enabled reading mode, it will make your screen yellow. So to fix this yellow screen, just simply tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off reading mode, the yellow screen issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the yellow screen on your Redmi Note 13 5G. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.